Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Squarespace site that is not secure. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now if you're having this issue here pop up that your site is actually not secure, well in this case there's a few things you need to know and you need to do here. So first things first is you want to guarantee that you set up your domain properly. So in this case, you want to go to your website here. Let's go to our settings at the bottom left, and you want to go to domain and email. And again, make sure that you set up your domain properly. Now, not setting up your domain here properly can result to this problem. So in this case, go ahead and make sure that you've set it properly. Now, another thing that you might want to consider here is sometimes if your domain is fairly new or if you just connected it, sometimes you need to wait for a few hours. So in this case, you need to wait out the domain propagation here, which takes up to 72 hours. So wait for 72 hours and see if that solves the issue itself. So typically the solution or first solution you can do here is just wait it out. So sometimes the process or the propagation process might take some time. So again, just wait it out. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue and 72 hours is up already, and again, you're getting this site is not secure issue. Well, another thing that you want to do here is you want to go to developer tools in your settings, and you want to go ahead and choose SSL here, and you want to make sure that's currently active. Also, you might want to use the secure option here or HTS secure. So make sure you selected that. So if you've chosen secure before, change this to secure or the preferred option here. Once you've done that, you want to go and save this one, and you could go and exit. Now, also another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to isolate the problem itself from your browser. Sometimes the browser you're currently using right now might be the problem itself. So I would suggest you might want to open your website in a incognito window. So in this case, go to the top right here, go to your incognito. So let's go and choose your incognito window. Go ahead and just type in your website here and see if that actually solves your issue. So if that's the case, so if the problem is from your browser itself, typically you just need to clear your browser here. So you want to click on the top right here. You want to go to settings, and from here you want to go to your privacy and security. You want to go and click on delete browsing data, and you can go and choose the time here. So I would recommend you to use all time, and you want to make sure that you free up all the space here like browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files so that you have a clean slate here. But the only downside here, it will actually clear a few data that you've entered on other websites, like for example some commonly used phrases and your search history here on your browser. But if you're sure, just click on delete data here and proceed with clearing it, and that would actually solve your issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.